This is the brief on the Kohathites and carrying the light. We're looking at how a specific, ancient Old Testament duty carrying a golden lampstand through the wilderness serves as the perfect blueprint for the modern believer's responsibility to carry the gospel today. First, the Kohathites had the specific duty of carrying a heavy, pure gold lampstand right on their shoulders. Crucially, this was the essential sole light in the holy place. Without it, there was only pitch darkness. Think about it. If you were holding the absolute only flashlight in a completely pitch-black cave, would you ever dare turn it off? We are the New Covenant Kohathites, carrying Christ, the world's only true light. Second, the covering. As they carried this 34-kilogram gold treasure, it was hidden under a layer of rough, dull sea cow leather called tekish skin. It looked completely unremarkable from the outside. It's literally like wrapping a priceless diamond in a greasy brown paper bag. The gospel often looks kind of foolish or unappealing to the outside world, but those who are genuinely searching are going to see past that plain leather to the pure gold inside. Finally, the mandate. So, what happens when carrying this message feels way too heavy, or when people mock the sea cow leather packaging? If a Kohathite put that heavy lampstand down, they were leaving the space in darkness. Isaiah 62:1 gives us the ultimate mandate. Believers absolutely must not stay quiet or keep silent until Christ's light shines everywhere. We're just bearers of the light, not the creators. The gospel might be carried in wonderfully ordinary vessels, but it's the only true light this dark world has. So put it on your shoulders and don't ever put it down.